Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve Home tab is missing in Microsoft Word. So guys, for any reason you are not able to see Home tab in this tabs list, so you can fix this issue easily. Just follow these easy steps. Click on File, then here click on Options. Now in this left side panel, click on Customize ribbon. Here customize the ribbon, select Main tabs or select all tabs, and in this list guys you have to find out Home, select it and click on OK. Now reopen your Microsoft Office. So this way you can fix this issue. Thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.